As you may know, Windows 10 has been updated to its new release version 20H2. Let's see what are the new updates in this version. First of all, verify that your Windows 10 is updated to 20H2. To verify the same, open Computer Properties and find your OS and its version. Here you can see this computer is updated to 20H2. Now let's look at the new features. First one, a copy button is added under device specification and Windows specification to copy the details and send to any tech support team. Here you can see I have copied both details to Notepad for a demo. Next one, you will find an X button in the upright corner of each notification, allowing you to immediately dismiss it. You can see the transparency effect has been removed from Start menu, helping the program icons to stand out. This will be the first edition of Windows 10 that automatically includes the new Chromium-based Microsoft Edge browser instead of the legacy version of Edge. You will also find a new group of settings under System Multitasking, where you can decide whether to show individual browser tabs when using the Alt tab task switcher. You can choose to show only the primary tab, 3 or 5 most recently visited tabs, or all the tabs. Here you can see my current setting is to open Windows and 5 most recent tabs. I have 3 open tabs in Edge. When I am pressing Alt plus tab, those 3 are seen here. Now I am changing it to Windows only. As you can see now, only browser window is shown here. On 2-in-1 devices, Microsoft has adjusted the way the user interface changes when you detach the screen. You will no longer see a notification asking if you want to switch into tablet mode. Instead, Windows will automatically make that change. Unfortunately, I don't have 2-in-1 device with me to show the demo. Thanks for watching.